Welcome. This is Jamb, year 2010 government pass question number 28. And the question here says Nigerian nationalism was described as two-faced by dash. Nigerian nationalism was described as two-faced by dash. Who that is who describe the describe nationalism a two face, that Nigerian nationalism has two faces. So option A say James S. Kuma, B say Edward Wilmot Blindin, option C say David Ricardo, option D say John P. Jackson. The man who described Nigeria nationalism and claimed that it has two faces is no other person than what? James S. Kuma. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.